Installing Python module within code. I need to install a package from pypi straight within my script. Maybe there's some module or distribute, pip etc. feature which allows me to just execute something like pypi.install requests, and requests will be installed into my virtual env.
The officially recommended way to install packages from a script is by calling pip's command line interface via a subprocess. Most other answers presented here are not supported by pip. Furthermore, since pip v10, all code has been moved to pip._internal precisely in order to make it clear to users that programmatic use of pip is not allowed. Use sys.executable to ensure that you will call the same pip associated with the current runtime.
You can also use something like
If you want to use pip to install required package and import it after installation, you can use this code. If you installed a package as a user, you can encounter the problem that you cannot just import the package. See how to refresh sys.path for additional information.
This should work.